India wasn't always here. It was once near Antarctica. Millions of years ago, Earth had one giant supercontinent. It was called Pangaea. Then India broke away and started racing north. One of the fastest continental movements in Earth's history. Then, 50 million years ago, boom! India collided with Asia. That collision created the Himalayas, the tallest mountains on Earth. And here's the crazy part. India is still pushing into Asia even today. That collision shaped rivers, monsoons, and fertile plains. And that changed Earth forever.